Hi, I'm Yasin. Today at Gadget Flow, we are checking out something pretty interesting. It's called Cyplore. It's a conversion kit that adds electric assist to your road or gravel bike, but without looking like an e-bike. Most kits out there are bulky, obvious, and always a bit ugly. This one takes a different approach, and that starts with weight. This is Cyplore 1, the ready-to-ride wheel version. The full system weighs around 2.5 kilograms in total. The motor kit itself is just 1.7 kilograms, which they claim makes it the world's lightest electric bike kit. And honestly, holding the bike now, it doesn't feel like motor being added. I installed it this morning. From start to finish, it took me about 4 minutes. No permanent change to the frame, and if I want to go back to original wheel, it took me about 1 or 2 minutes. So here's what you're looking at. The motor lives in the rear hub. It's no bigger than a fist. The battery is this bottle-shaped unit that sits right where your water bottle normally goes. The controller, the battery, and the magnetic remote are all part of this one modular unit, so you can swap components individually if something needs replacing. And this little remote, it magnetically docks to the battery for charging or clips into the handlebar so you can switch mode while riding. If you push forward and backward, you can change the assist level, and this is you can change the mode. It connects to cycling computers via ANT+. And syncs right to Strava through the Cyplore app after you're done. So guys, let's try this new thing. So right now, assist is off. Coasting feels like completely normal. There's a built-in catch that fully disengages the motor when it's not in use. Rider just like a regular bike. Alright, here is a climb. Switching to agile mode. The harder I push, the more it gives. It also continues working with me. Alright, I'm gonna switch to the smooth mode now. That's really gradually. It's not a push. It's like more, my legs got slightly stronger. It doesn't just kick in and take over. If you got a road or gravel bike that you love and you're not wanting to replace it, well, this is the perfect add assist that you can imagine. It's not a full e-bike and it's not trying to be. It's just want to help people to add assist more and keep the same vibe of the bike, not e-bike. As for compatibility, it's designed for 142mm Thru-axle rear dropout. The one version supports disc brakes only. The flex version, which you build out with your own rim, adds rim brake compatibility. There are some real trade-offs here, and they're worth knowing. It's not compatible for quick release or boost 148mm Thru-axle. The battery is 111 watt-hour, which is around typically 50 kilometers of range. Works well for most rides, but if you need playing for longer days, requires an additional battery for extended range. Cyplore is live on Kickstarter right now. Go check it out. I'm Yasin. This has been Gadget Flow, and thanks for watching.